This is the next generation DeepHub Ultra series with an all-new design in navy black, sleek, refined, and truly premium. It features a triple 50-megapixel AI-powered camera system with gallery mode, capturing close-ups of everyone in the room for fully immersive online meetings. Auto-framing and voice tracking also work seamlessly. A 16-mic array captures every voice with pristine clarity, canceling echoes and background noise for smooth. Our premium 2.2-channel top-mounted speaker system delivers 60 watts of total output, paired with a dedicated subwoofer, filling every corner of the room with immersive, natural, distortion-free sound. DeepHub Ultra introduces our custom-built Pro Vision display, engineered for exceptional brightness and precise color accuracy. Every image comes to life with stunning clarity and true-to-life color. Coated with antibacterial, anti-fingerprint glass, it offers a brilliantly clear, clean, and responsive touch experience every single time. We've included every port and control you need: NFC, Touch ID, and presence sensing radar, all seamlessly integrated. DeepHub Ultra is powered by our most powerful 8-core chip yet. It runs smoothly with zero lag, while its upgraded GPU and 6 TOPS NPU deliver incredible performance. Writing experience on DeepHub is amazing. Write naturally with pencil, drag and select with your finger, switch dual colors on one pencil, even write and erase at the very same time. And what makes it so effortless is its seamless integration with DeepHub OS. DeepHub OS 3 is built on the latest Android 15 and is EDLA certified, with full access to millions of apps on the Google Play Store. You can now use your DeepHub with AI, generates images, supports circle to search, and even delivers real-time translation, bilingual subtitles, and automatic meeting summaries for video conferences. DeepHub Whiteboard software is also more powerful than ever. Insert professional tools: ruler, triangle, compass, with lines that snap to edges and fully customizable length and angle. Educators can add tables, mind maps, and text boxes that automatically adapt to handwriting. Insert local or online images and videos and share instantly with a simple QR scan. Beyond split screen, DeepHub now supports floating window mode, letting you work seamlessly across multiple apps at the same time. With an NFC card, teachers can log into Google Drive across classrooms and sync all teaching content effortlessly. This is the next generation DeepHub Ultra, all new design, best-in-class triple camera system, our most powerful 8-core chip, a next-level writing experience, and powerful new features in DeepHub OS 3. Once again, DeepHub is so far ahead, there's nothing else like it.